What's up, guys? It's Turtles Legend here, back for another Minecraft video. Today, I am doing the rest of my chicken farm. So pretty much what you guys saw so far is, I've been a little busy in between episodes. What you guys so far is this. The chicken spawn, rabbit comes in, comes down here, gives me meat. Like that. Should be giving me more meat. Oops, there wasn't anything too important. Oh my. Okay. So that gives me meat. Right there. It also can give me feathers. That's one of the main things we're looking for. Because this is going to do with a villager farm I'm making. So what I'm going to do is, I made a small deal with myself before the video, that every I can pay 2 diamonds for 1 villager to get villagers. And I should probably sooner or later try making a villager farm. But right now that's not what I'm using my diamonds on. I'm just gonna make diamonds to get villagers to trade with. That's another nonchalant, but hey. Also, I'll grab myself some food. If you're wondering why this is raw, because I threw it in there. How did that happen? I didn't think there was... Oh guys, I have it to where I can break through here. And if it isn't given from the top, I guess it doesn't spew lava. But, so that's working out for me. So now I'll head up here and show you guys what I'm doing. So up here, I am trying to make a place for my villagers. Because I want a Fletcher so I can trade in for feathers for emeralds. Also, I don't know why that's there. Let me grab it. So pretty much I'm trying to make it as good as possible. Where it's down there, and I should be able to put one of the lower things like this biome. But that's an idea for another time. Right now, I'm gonna grab this. And to save room best I can, I'm gonna put this right on this corner. And then right there, I'm gonna craft a chest to store some stuff for trading and other things. And I'll put that in this corner. So I'm gonna store some of my stuff in here that I don't need. And also I'm gonna go grab my 2 diamonds and throw them in lava. Then go and create and actually I'm gonna need 2 villagers for what I'm planning. So I'm gonna grab 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw them in lava and then grab 2 villager eggs. I'll only be spawning 1 at a time. The other one will be for later in the episode. Alright. So, / game mode. Creative. Now I can look for villager egg. And there, / game mode. Survival. Now. Easy. And he is a Fletcher. And also, the sticks trade should be an easy thing. And if I can, I'll see if I'm correct about my hypothesis. No, I cannot. But maybe I can right here. Don't want any baby villagers getting in there. And voila. I can trade with him easily. Now, the other one is going to be an enchanter. Because I want to get a... I think infinite book trade is what I'm able to do. So I'm going to grab this. Going to make this guy's area a little different. But I'm also going to want still a little bridge off. Like this. But where bed goes right there. There. And there. But I'm gonna need to grab... What is it called again? Whatever I'm looking for. Some sort of table or whatever. If I do table, will it show it? No. Alright. Oh, lectern, I think. Huh? How do I craft a lectern? There. I need slabs and a bookshelf. So I'm gonna need books. I don't see any books. So right now, I want to get some emeralds. Alright. Let's grab one stack. Now let's see, how many can I trade? Easy emeralds. Oh, now he's trading flint for emeralds. So I might have to deal with that later. And also, I need to up top deal with this and pig. Now where is bookshelf? I need paper at least. So heading down here. I'm not finding what I want yet, but I will. No, that's an empty map. I'm probably overlooking it, guys. Sorry about that. And I'll grab these sticks for later. One more area to look. Also, I really should have been multitasking that. Now I need to look for boots. Not books, sorry. Leather. I should probably clean this up a little. Alright. Don't see no leather in that chest. None in that one. And none in that one. It's about 1 or 2 more chests to check. Okay. Bread, I want to grab quick. And no leather in that. Huh. But a bit of sugar cane that I need. Looks like I'm going to be on the cow hunt. So I'm heading down here. And see how my little machine's doing. There aren't any adult chickens salvaged. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, that's bad parkour. Okay, that wasn't even a sprint. Maybe it's because I'm hugging the wall too much. It's a possible jump. There. Parkour. Okay. Where are the cows now? I need to find a few cows. Maybe take out... Wow. A few skeletons. Is this on hard mode? I didn't think I had it set on hard mode. Probably I'll go grab some sugar cane. And just came across one of my boats I'd been at. Dang it, didn't blow up. Lag a little. Haha. Now, if you guys see a cow anywhere, I really need some leather. At least if I get lost and I need to go back, I can always just go slash kill. Probably want to make a sure it's fun. Also, I want to look for a jungle. I have a nice idea for a farm I'm gonna make. But that's definitely not usually existing. I can make a baguette. Oh, now that's kind of cool. I can make one of those later. Now, there's all these sheep. But not a single cow. Great. Also, let's look over here. There's gotta be something. Nothing, not even a chest. Alright. It's not like I'm looking for something other than cows. They're only cows. It should not be that hard. Also, guys, I'm not going to be going in that battle tower or whatever type of tower it is. I'm just looking for a cow. I'm going to keep going back. Also, did I find something? Good. I'm going to be able to keep it fed, but... at least there's someplace for me to check out, so I think that's fun. Oh my, no, it's a village. Honestly, I was not expecting this. Swamp villagers go. Let me grab this. You know, this might make things a little easier for me. Just find a lectern yet. I'm gonna be taking this villager stuff. Sorry, villagers, but I need stuff too. It's not like I'm gonna be near here for long, so I'm not worried about it too much. What's this? That's odd. What? Paper deal. Iron helmet. Great. It's free, so might as well. The village is kind of cool, but I'm not finding anything too useful. I feel like a bug's playing around with me. Really weird. Okay. I'm heading over here. It's probably, I think, the last house in the village. Slime. Great. Terracotta, and I'll take that. Now, if I left the pick out of business at my phone, I can get it back. See a light up there, I'm gonna go check that out. Alright. Alright, now. Probably some stairs, don't really care too much about. I see a light in that direction. I'm gonna run until I get to it. Ooh, iron sword. That's great. No pit stop right here for all the sugar cane. Another thing about making a sugar cane is fun. Deal. Now, where is the first thing to drop? The guy who's We're gonna have to pay 2 damage for a responding eventually. One more. Okay, where did the cow go? I need to find one more cow with the leather. This looks new. That's nothing. Okay. I see horses or cows. One of the two. Or cows. I wish butchers traded for raw chicken meat. Well, I mean, cooked chicken meat. Because I'm actually only and they want raw. So that kind of just sucks. Also, I think I found my way back from a slash to erase the descriptor. Yeah. There. 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 Alright. Now I'm gonna store stuff that we don't need in here. And bit more paper. And voila. Okay. 3 books. Okay, not enough Oh, let's see. There. And, yeah. Okay. Now, where are my books? Oh, there they are. Yeah, they're there. Yeah. Now, now I need to go. Right. Well, at first I heard the raining, where I heard the raining sound like it changed into noise for a few seconds, and I thought I was gonna attack that people. There. Alright, what is the exact thing? What's the exact thing I'm looking for? It's either bookshelves or books. I think that you can have the thing that not allowed. Okay. This is something way more useful. Okay, 9 for bookshelf. Now I need a golden apple. Okay. And how do I make a weakness potion? Okay, a roll like this. And then, okay. So I need to go to the end and grab some, and another, grab some blaze powder. And some leatherwork. No. Yeah, but I don't want to use it. Well, guys, I'm probably gonna go in creative to go fly through the nether, since otherwise it might take a while. So, guys, see you when I am there. Hey, guys. So I'm here, and I'm gonna quick switch myself to survival. Back up there to take my food. You guys are kind of annoying. Shoot. Alright. Okay, I need a little bit more of this though. Also, I'm gonna need to head for another works, and I'm not really good with that. I'm gonna need at least 3, because how much do these do? 4. Okay, I'm gonna try to get at least another. That's simple enough. Now, I need to find... where is it? I need to find the stairs somewhere. This must be close off there. Okay, this is good enough. Can I just go like this? That works. I want the wood. Okay. I'll take the gold, and this is always appreciated. I don't want to trade out for that. What can I trade out for? These are kind of bad. So I like the sounds that it makes when you step on this. Kind of cool. Now what do I trade out for these? How about the slab? Is there anything else over here? Because usually I see chests behind or around the stairs. I'm gonna quick check around the stairs and see if I can find anything better. Because I always want some good stuff. Now, is there... Oh, knew it. Okay, I'll take that, of course. trade that in for, I don't know for why I would need gray concrete. Now slash kill. Back hit. Now, I'm gonna need 2 hours sleep to set to date. This is awesome. You guys will be able to see the end thing of what I'm trying to do here soon. Oh, that was almost pretty dumb. Now, where is Brew? Can't eat cobblestone. I think I have cobblestone. Come on, where's cobblestone? Do I really need to go to my cobblestone generator? 1 cobblestone. Great! Oh, there it is. Okay, brewing stand. Now, I need bottles. Bottle. 3 glass. Alright. I literally just got rid of it. That was really smart of me. Okay, okay, anything in here? Glass, okay. Gonna need 3 bottles. 6, 7, 8. That's 8 when it comes to what I'm looking for there. Okay. I'll promote this with some wood. But also, we want to use dry kelp to smelt some more dry kelp. Where'd the dry kelp go? There. 6 and 8. So 2 more, and then I can smelt all that kelp up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be about enough. 1 more, and I'll be good for this, though, too. What's this? That has to be like the precious stuff. Sweet. Now. I need more room in my inventory. Shift click, shift click. Also, I'm going to want 1 there. Still need that, so it doesn't matter. Can I go like this? No, I cannot. Oops, that could be bad though. Great, now where is a bucket that I can grab? I guess for now I can only just grab this water like this. And ta-da! Now that I have that, how do I make it weakness? Weak. Fermented spider eye. I need spider eye, spider, and a brown mushroom. So spider eye and sugar. Brown I don't even have sugarcane on me. I think I used it all. Spider-Eye. Oh, that's a lot of sugarcane. I did not use it. Come on, all I need is one little Spider-Eye. There. Fermented Spider-Eye. Where is it? Oh, actually, I can't just go weakness. No, weakness. Spider-Eye. What? Oh. Oopsies. Spider. So weakness, Spider-Eye, make. Wait, if it only needs 3 ingredients, can't I just make that in a regular old crafting area? Oh well. Now I need to head down here. Come on. Should still have a little bit of thing. Wait, what? Potion of weakness. No effects? Just a water bottle? That's not... Okay. I'm confused. I always thought it was... You had to do it with aqua potions. Oh well. Yeah, where's the gunpowder? Oof, golden apple. Where is that? Well. Actually, I can keep that in there. That was a very awkward potion. Gonna drink these and then... Oh, I almost drank the other one though. It'd be cool if they actually added being thirsty to the game. At least I kind of think so. Now, where's my other 2 methods? Because I need a zombie to get in there. Oh, slash... difficulty. Hard. Now, where are my 2 diamonds I need to buy? Well, I just want to kill that pig, but I also don't want to. The pig, but I also get tired of trying to get past it. Where's my diamonds? I had 6 diamonds. Okay. All I need is 1 zombie. Slash game mode. Creative. Zombie. I'm dumb. Also, marble stone. Or marble zone blocks. I'll probably make that later. Guys, you guys just realized what I should have done instead? I freaking remove that. I was an idiot. I should have ended up blocking in his trades. But this should work anyways. Be back when he's done. Okay guys, I just got the achievement Zombie Doctor, so I'm guessing it's free. So let's go check it out. Do I have enough emeralds for this guy? Nope. Okay, we'll steal these from there. Also, how about this guy? Alright, so I'm gonna have to try seeing if hopefully this works. It works. If I'm correct. Also, I should probably grab myself some emeralds. Sticks is just the easiest way to get emeralds. I mean, I can literally make a tree farm. Unlimited type tree farm that I was talking about last time. Oh, maybe I can make a tree farm, guys. Oh. That'd be really overpowered. Now, if this is lucky enough, okay, one book. So long trade. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna have to next episode work on getting a. I'm gonna work on middle of the episode to get emerald or diamonds to trade for a. Then I just go straight to a zombie villager, and I'll get the other villager that has the trade that I want. It should be like 1 or 2 books for an emerald, and because I'll have bookshelves, I'll break the bookshelves. Well, pretty much I'll be doing this in order to get emeralds. Well, I can really make it a little cleaner. Anyway. And then I would trade him with the other villager that there will be. So, I'll have to work on that. And this guy, 3 emeralds. Easy emeralds. Next episode, I might work on getting my farm idea. Where I'm gonna have pretty much an upgraded version of what I was first showing you guys. When the tree grows, it gets cut down. Because I just have an idea of how to upgrade that. But I'll need to end up heading there. It won't be like a single one. So where I can't go AFK, I'll have to place the store, go on about my business, go back, grab my wood, place another fort, That's all I have to do it. Also, I might work on in between episodes finding some bamboo, making a huge bamboo farm, using bamboo for sticks, and trading with him. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that like button if you liked. Subscribe if you're not already. And down in the link in the description, there'll be a link to my Discord server. Go check it out. I'll see you there. See you dudes next time. Charles Legend out.